Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your East Oakland advocate. Today's tip for surviving homelessness is how to draw water safely. And so I've been at this a long time. Back in 2021, my friend Kyle Mitchell, who is an attorney here in Oakland, helped me to come to East Bay Mud, EB Mud, the water utility district for Alameda County. And what we did, we removed an old regulation that prevented people from being able to give water away, meaning that they draw it from their own tap and give it to somebody. In the EB Mud books, there was an actual regulation that can fine a person like that $1,000 for each time that they drew water that they paid for and gave it away. And so we had that regulation removed, and then we had what was called, or what is called, the Good Samaritan Act. And this is by EB Mud. And what that does, it allows up to 100 gallons of water to be drawn by a homeless individual if they have all the right tools. Right tools being a hydrant wrench, and then the adapter to the fire hydrant. And then this is how we install it. On top of that, we have this regulator, pressure regulator, because you never want to do this, hook this up to a fire hydrant without that regulator. That regulator is what's going to save this filter from blowing up, and we don't want that. So anyway, we have we're going to draw water and fill this up. So I'm going to tighten this down a little bit. I'm going to set this up. Okay, now that we have everything hooked up, we have the jars, the empty containers. We're going to fill them. So we're going, as you see, these have unique fitting sizes, and this is the proper wrench if you're going to draw water from the fire hydrant. If you use anything else, it's going to damage this stem, and that's what the water districts get really upset about. So I'm going to open this up, flush this a little bit, and then we're going to start filling the water. And it's that simple. And this filter will not only catch all the sediments that may be in the pipe, but it also filters out lead. It also filters out chemicals, all sorts of things that we don't want in our water. And this is one of the better filters that you can get. So here we go. We're going to fill another container up with fresh, clean water, fresh drinking water. And this removes all the sediments, grit, grime, other chemicals, chlorine, lead. So you really need to have the filter in place. And with this, you'll have plenty of water. The filter, this filter will last you a good amount of time, at least 3 months if you use it regularly. And they save 750 gallons, but I've run 1,000 gallons through it, and the water's pretty clean here, so it's not too bad. But like I said, we have here in Oakland a different way. We have this Good Samaritan Act that is in the book, so that a person with the right equipment, which is this, the adapter, the proper adapter, the pressure regulator, the water filter, and then we have the spout. But then most important part, having this hydrant wrench. You can get the hydrant wrench off of Amazon. Same thing, all these components came from Amazon Prime. Wrench, you can expect $20 to $29 with the hydrant adapter from 1.5 down to a garden hose. This is $22. The pressure regulator was $9, and then the water filter itself, this one was $30. And so $30 is cheap to have safe, clean drinking water. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to finish drawing this, but this is how you can draw water safely from any hydrant. I don't know about your jurisdiction, what some of the things are, but please investigate. Make sure that you're not breaking the law. But when you do need to draw water, do it in a way where you're not wasteful and that you are not causing more problems than anything else. Thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.